Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Shrivani. If you haven't subscribed my channel, please do subscribe right away so that it will send you the notifications as soon as I upload my videos. So the reason today I'm doing this video is for the people who are really willing to get a job in medical coding specifically, because that is most demanding right now, but we might not say which might be demanding at which particular time. So I want to discuss some of the points that people are majorly missing out on, which they need to concentrate to get a job. Like it might be a part or contribute a part to be a part of the job or to get a job for them. Like let me share my example as well in between of the explanation what I do. The first thing that I want to tell today is, starting of getting into that, please do subscribe my channel, and happy Thursday for everyone, and may your all paths that you're choosing should be the best version of whatever you choose it to be. So let's get into our topic today. The five main reasons, or the five core reasons in my aspect, what I think it to be very important or may play a crucial role in getting up a job. So I want to share with you also that it might be helpful for some of them who are really willing to get or try or making an endeavor to get a job. So let me start. The first and main core reason is high competition. The first reason is high competition, high competitors we are having, right? Like one of the, for one simple job role, there is 1,000, 10,000, lakhs of members who's applying for that particular same role. So how competitively we need to prepare with them is what most important. So that is what people or even me is lacking, because when you have the high competition for the specific same role that you're choosing with, it's simultaneously important that you need to even compete with the others. You need to even start competing with the same peer of group people. No matter who's applying for the job is, you need to be able to crack a job. When do you crack a job is just when you be unique, and when an interviewer sees something is different from them. Like they should find some uniqueness from you, from a lot of people sitting outside. That is when you get recognized and you make the interviewer impressed. So due to this high competition, it's very important and pivotal role that we need to concentrate on our roles and apply the jobs very, being at the first person, being as a first person. So the thing is, when people are applying for a job, there's a high competition for the same role that you're choosing. Remember, due to the high competition, you will not even get an opportunity to attend the interview. That means you're rejected. That means there is an opportunity that is gone. Let me share that in my case. When I was attending interviews in one of the company, there was 1,000 members who have come. I already shared this point in some of the videos I made in my channel, where I did not even get an opportunity to give the interview. You are lacking because you are late. Try to understand. Due to this high competition, it's very important to compete with others, simultaneously bring up yourself in all aspects of what might the role, or what is the role you're choosing. The second point is lack of punctuality. For example, if the scheduling or the time or the interview time scheduled for 10 o'clock, people will be there by 11 or 12. Like they have given a time range between 10 to 12 or 10 to 2 p.m. Like people are most intelligent that they don't even think to be prior before the 10. They think after to be after 10 or 11, 12. That will not fetch you anything. You will be the last person to give the interview. మీరు అప్పుడు లాస్ట్ పర్సన్ అయినప్పుడు, ద ఇంటర్వ్యూ అంటే ఇంటర్వ్యూ తీసుకున్న వాళ్ళు మిగతా వాళ్ళంతా సెలెక్ట్ అయిపోయి ఉంటారు. లైక్ యూ కెన్ గివ్ ద ఇంటర్వ్యూ, బట్ మీకు ఇచ్చిన వాళ్ళకంటే ముందు వాళ్ళంతా సెలెక్ట్ అయిపోయి ఉంటారు. ఆ జాబ్ రిక్వైర్మెంట్కి, ఆ రోల్కి అంత మెంబర్స్ చాలనుకుంటారు. సో అప్పుడు యు ఆర్ ల్యాకింగ్. దట్ కెన్ బి ద మెయిన్ కోర్ రీజన్ వేర్ యూ విల్ బి నాట్ పార్ట్ ఆఫ్ ద జాబ్ ఆర్ గెటింగ్ రిజెక్టెడ్ ఇన్ ద ఇంటర్వ్యూస్. The third reason is lack of improper communication. Where in this competitive world, it's very important to have the proper communication skills along with the knowledge. One you have and the other you don't, it's none of use. It's futile, it's useless. You need to simultaneously carry both of them in an equal manner to get a job, to crack an interview. The fourth one is being nervousness. There's thousands of the people who get or come to the interviews where you will be the person being nervous by seeing them is the one of the most demotivating thing that you can think of, because that will not only let your confidence down, it also lets whatever the subject you get, it will does not let you to project that. It does not let you to project the whatever subject you get. So being confident is one of the predominant thing that you need to do. Don't be nervous. Everyone are like you. Everyone are just came like you to face the interview. Everyone might be the nervous. Everyone might be nervous. If you're the confident person among that persons who are nervous, you will be the best. You will catch the best impression of the interviewer. So try to implement this. It becomes an added advantage when all people are nervous and you single being confident. Think of it. And the fifth and most important thing is, see, we will clear assessment, because in medical coding, when we get into the CP certification, or when we after completing our certification from institutes, we will at least be able to code the simple basic conditions, and we'll be able to code. The main thing is the people are getting rejected in manager round. It is most important thing. Everyone are passing first round like assessment or aptitude. That is fine. But the main thing is to clear the second round. If you're not clearing that, you are almost rejected. You are rejected, not almost. You are rejected. So what is the thing that you should not have when you face the interview? Open up yourself in front of the interviewer. Be confident, be open, be very proactive to answer the questions whatever the interviewer asks you. That can be the best impression that can catch the interviewer eye. So try to think of it, try to implement this. So what I observed from the people, from the interviews or so many companies I have attended is this. These are the five main core reasons where are people lacking to not get a job. So try to check with this and correct this message so that you will definitely get a job one or the other fine day. If not one company, if not the other company, it will be definitely done. For more, please do subscribe my channel. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.